Hi there. This is a video on how to perform model comparison on two different versions using EMF Pro. It generates a report of changes identified in a tabular format. Let's see how this is done. Go to EMF Pro tab and click on Compare Workbook. The next thing is to select the new and old versions from the drop-down. These files should be opened before running the comparison. Now as you selected the versions, a list of all sheets appear, and can be matched with each other, in case there's a sheet name change. So, here's missing sheet, and I can select appropriate sheet, FinStat, corresponding to sheet, Financials. Next, you must align the models before comparison, as there might be insertion or deletion of rows in between the versions. This is either done manually or automatically, just by clicking on this checkbox. You can see that all align boxes have turned to Y for yes. I know that dashboard sheet shouldn't be aligned as it doesn't follow a proper timeline structure, so I will exclude this sheet from alignment. As auto-alignment works using certain columns to align, let me check what is appropriate for my model by clicking on Options. Here you can select 3 heading columns, and 1 label column. You can even exclude a heading column for alignment, by selecting blank. But let me choose A, as this is applicable in my case, and E as row label column. You also have an option to mark the changes within the file itself, by checking this box. Okay, so now I run the comparison. Alignment columns A, B, C, E is okay. Save? Yes. Now the alignment process has started, the status is visible here. And now comparison is being performed sheet by sheet. Okay, so the comparison is done in just a minute. And you can see this report has been generated, mentioning the number of unique formula and other changes between versions. If I click on this hyperlink to investigate, and I can see the list of all changes, and the unique formula changes by selecting UF in the filter dropdown. Specific cell changes are marked, which helps to easily identify what actually changed. Also, there is a map created for this sheet where you can see the changed cells highlighted in red. You can link map sheet to directly navigate to model by choosing the workbooks here and double-clicking on the desired cell. All changes in the model are marked with turquoise shade, and between version navigation is possible with same link tool. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.